Ollie? Well, you come to the right place.
What is up, guys? Today I'm going to show you the key fundamental basics on how to pop a nice ollie. Because if you want hot chicks from around the world that wear Thrasher blowing up your Instagram and liking all your skate edits and sliding into your DMs, you're going to want to listen up. Let's start off with foot placement. With your front foot, you're going to want to put it just below your front bolts, and you want your back foot to be up on the tail. Now you want to pop that towel down like you're finna pop the trunk on that guy that's made fun of your ollies in front of his girlfriend and all his friends at the local skate park. Now with your front foot, you're going to want to have an equal amount of heel to toe ratio on top of the board. And with your back foot, you're going to be right up on the end of the tail on your toes, ready to spring into action. Like so. Now the next thing you're going to want to do is, you want to take that front foot and you want to slide it all the way up the board to the tip of the nose, just like you found the girl of your dreams on the explore page of Instagram and you're about to slide into her DMs. Now you want to do both these things at the same time in one fluid motion, just like you're in the kitchen on top of the stove, flicking your wrist and whipping a brick. Now if you're a bit hesitant and you don't want your board to roll away, I'd suggest finding a crack in the pavement and laying your wheels in the crack so your board doesn't move around. Once you have become confident with a stationary ollie, I suggest you try it with a bit of momentum. And once you're confident with your ollies on flat ground, you can try them down things and over things. Follow these tips I've shown you today and I guarantee you'll have mad clout on Instagram.
If you guys liked the video and you found it helpful, please drop a like. Hit that red button down the bottom there to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Enochism. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them for you. But until then, I'll catch you guys next week in another trick tip video.